Are you also a new coach who has just started his or her coaching endeavor? Then this video is just for you. Hey friends, this is Omi Gupta. I am by profession a digital marketing consultant and certified life coach, and in this video we are going to tell you the exact process which a new coach, when the person is entering the coaching field, should follow. Okay, so the first point which I am going to tell you that you should be able to identify your micro niche. The first step to how to to identify your micro niche in the target audience. Otherwise you will be confused, you will be actually segregated, you will not be able to separate yourself from the people out there, because there are so many people who are already in this industry, who are already working good, who are already earning good. And to separate yourself, you have to understand your micro niche and to be very unique in it, right? So that is the first step. And the second step is have your social media handles ready on major 4 platforms. One is LinkedIn, second is Facebook, third is Instagram, and fourth is YouTube, right? And start uploading good content related to your micro niche, right? If you upload good content each and every day, right? So obviously, if you haven't seen my video where I give you a strategy, but what should be the frequency of uploading your videos and all, you can watch the video here. I'll tell you which platform to use for which kind of content. You can use this video, you can see this video, this link should be there as well. Okay, so if you do not understand that what kind of content should be putting, focus on one platform which is more relevant according to your niche. Let's say you are into creative field or something, you are into fitness and all. So the main area which is related to fitness is Instagram, and I would say YouTube as well, right? But let's say you are into B2B businesses, you are into services, you are you provide corporate trainings or something. So the main platform for you is LinkedIn. So according to the platform, you put your content, right? So start uploading the content and give more and more value to the people. Okay, and in the meanwhile, start working on your complete program which you want to deliver to people when they enroll you and when they give you money for the transformation. Okay, so the third step is have your website ready, guys, right? If you are a coach, website is the key. You have to have your website ready because it is the first digital presence. Just like your name on digital era, right? In this digital era, in this digital world, the first thing is your identity, that is called self-identity, which is your website. So have your website ready. If you can do it by yourself, perfectly fine, or outsource it, make it ready, so that if a person search you by your name, so at least there is one thing which is popped up, that is called your website. Okay, so have your website ready, put regular basis of good content, interact with same kind of people who are in your niche. Let's say if you are into fitness niche, into your yoga niche, interact with the content of different people who are into yoga niche. So when you interact, the audience of their platforms will see that you are putting good quality content and you are putting good quality replies and feedbacks to the posts. So they will come to your pages as well, and they will interact and engage with your content as well. So interact with same kind of influencers which are already there in this particular era, right? And in your niche specifically, right? So the next point which I am going to discuss is also very important. Have your email marketing campaign ready. And when I'm talking about email marketing campaign, I'm not telling you to market or something. Actually have your email list. When I'm talking about this, have your email list ready and start building on your email list, right? And how to do that? Start giving in starting, and again I'm repeating, if you really want to grow big, start giving free one-to-one consulting, maybe for 15 minutes, maybe for 30 minutes, but start giving it, so that it is going to help you in 3 ways. First is you are going to test your skill set. It will give you confidence. Second is you are going to increase your email marketing, right? You are going to increase your email list. And the third is, if you are really giving value to people, they are going to give you the right feedback, and you can actually use those testimonials for your future references, right? So start giving good free content in starting through different social media platforms, through one-to-one consulting, through videos, and start collecting leads and creating a community, right? Create a community, create a people who like your content, who follow your content, so that it is going to help you a very long way, right? So these are the things which, if you are a coach or a speaker, you need to take care. And last but not the least is start working on your programs and use the content and the structure which you have created for your program through a sales funnel, right? So create a sales funnel for you. It can be a one-to-one consulting funnel, it can be a webinar funnel, it can be other thing as well. So but create a sales funnel for you so that you can actually start monetizing your coaching endeavor, because पहले पेट पूजा फिर बाद काम पूजा. So the same thing applies here as well, guys. Whatever the content you are putting, slowly and gradually start monetizing it as well. So these are the main key points which I as a as a digital marketing consultant will recommend to all the coaches who are starting their entrepreneurship journey in this coaching field. So take care, bye bye. And still before leaving, if you want to know how you can actually start your coaching endeavor, if you want to work with me, so you can have a free one-to-one consulting session with me for 30 minutes. Link will be in the description. You can go and click and book your consulting session of one-to-one, which will be free of 30 minutes, so that I can help you personally how you can grow as a coach, as a speaker, or a trainer, right? So if you are ready, just click on the link button and I'm going to contact you, right? So till then, bye bye, take care. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel so that I can put more and more quality driven content on different platforms. Take care, bye bye, keep hustling.